a lovely one and uplifting one. I'm glad I'm so excited to have you all back on my channel. Thank you for supporting me. I'm so grateful for watching my past videos. I never ever take it for granted. Thank you for helping me to fulfill this journey of purpose. I give you a big thumbs up. I give you a big thumb up. Thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys are the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I'm not taking it for granted. Yes, you mean a whole lot to me. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. Thank you for encouraging me to do more for Christ. Yes, as I'm able to do another video about knowing yourself, self-discovery. I would love to do that. Please, I will love to do that. And if you want me to actually do another video on self-discovery, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section, please. As I said earlier on, we are growing together. Please me, watch my video, recommend it to other people to watch so it can meet the large audience. And today's topic is going
Purity.
to be pureness. Yes. Then unity. You stand for unity. When you practice purity, you will be in unity with everyone around you. You love people. You celebrate people. You carry people with so much love and value. When you practice purity, you have unity. And when you practice purity, you always be ready. Yes, you will always be ready. You always be ready. Readiness. R stand for readiness. Earlier I said P stand for pureness. That is purity. I'm talking about the acronyms of purity. First P in when you're about to say anything purity. First P stand for pureness. And I said it also stands for peace. And I said U stand for unity. And I went on, R stand for readiness. Readiness, you will be like a soldier. You always be ready. When you are called upon, you will be ready to take up anything. I'm not saying things that are not healthy. I'm not saying things that give you negativity. I'm not saying things that will pull you down or that will reduce your personality. No. I'm talking about readiness to God's will, readiness to take up real challenges. Yes, challenges is to what? To shape us. And as I said, readiness, that is always being there. And that is what Christ did for us. He was ready. He is always there for us. Whenever we call on him, he answers us. That is her. High is for integrity. Anyone that practices purity has integrity. Integrity is the soul of who you are, who you stand for. When your name is being mentioned and people around you say, whoa, that is bad energy, that is negativity. And no, you won't want that, because that is not who you are. Who you are is your personality. He's your picture. He's your future. And is your goal. Your person. I don't know how I can break this down into what we can all understand. As a child, by growing up, I used to feel, if I don't do this, if I don't, join this band, if I don't, it means I don't have integrity and my friends are. So I misunderstood integrity for myself. I mean, to validate my self-esteem. Yes. So I was like, okay, it's because I have integrity, I have to please everyone. No, you are being shortchanged. Yes, integrity is me, is purity to me. Where is your integrity? Where is your integrity? Stand for truth. Yes. After integrity, are you truthful to yourself? Because in this world, you see someone that is being created, a male, says that no, I like to be a female. You see, some broke me out of it, and because peer group can have a lot of, that's another topic for us. Yes, I'm really going to talk about peer pressure. Yes, I'm really going to talk about peer pressure. So don't let me dive into something else. As I said, truths. I was being truthful to myself. Yes, I was a point that I just love myself the way I am. If you don't like me, I don't know. If you don't love me, I don't know. But I'm being truthful to myself. Yes, I'm being truthful to myself. I never claiming to be youths. And you will see the youths saying that they are not youths. They are grown-ups. When I was growing up, I was so excited. I love every bit of everything that we were doing as a youth. I mean, as a teen. Yes, in my church then we call it Crusader. As a teen, as a youth, we call it semi-youth adults. So as a youth and so on, we celebrate ourselves, we celebrate the love that we have, and that is what I want you to do. Celebrate yourself. Youth is that stream in one's life that it will definitely end. And from research, youthful age starts from when you are in your early 20s to when you are 70. Yes, you stop being a youth when you are over 70. Some people say you stop being a youth when you are 60, when you are in your 60s, because at that time you are now grandmas. You now become grandpa and all that. Please celebrate your youthful age. Don't look down on yourself. And believe me, purity has done a whole lot for us. Fun facts. Fun facts. If you practice purity, you look younger and radiant. If you practice purity, your self-confidence will be 100%. Yes, if you practice purity, you will be communicating with God like, oh my God, I don't know how to, like, you are speaking to someone that understands you. I don't know, when you are with a toddler and you are trying to impress that toddler in order to, maybe you want to create a face contact with the toddler and to play with the toddler in order for the toddler to get to know you. What really happened is that you're passing your personality. That toddler is going to read everything. If you are bad energy, if you are bad vibe, that toddler, they are very sensitive. They won't even want to be close to you because you have this bad energy that is not making them to feel comfortable and scary. Sometimes even if you don't have bad energy, toddler can be so sensitive. Sometimes they don't even want to. But you have to be friendly enough and all that. So that is how, if you are not practicing purity, you'll be far away from God. I've just given us 2 tips that when you are practicing purity, is top notch. Yes, it is top notch. You don't need someone to negotiate with God on your behalf, or you don't need you are literally hearing from your Father in heaven. Thank you for staying to the end of this video with me. I'm super excited that you've been blessed by this little word from me, and I pray that it fall on the fertile land of your heart. I pray that it brings joy to your soul, and I pray that it edify your body, soul, and spirit. Stay blessed, stay focused, stay purposeful, stay happy and healthy. See you on my next one. Bye.